Good morning, teacher and partners. My name is Manuel Emilio González Niño. I studied business administration. In this opportunity, I talking about effects of technology on the environment. Is a bigger problem because the technology affect negative the old. For example, extraction oil affect lands, affect rivers, affect seas, affect old. Other example is the scientists experiment from different chemics. These chemics affect the water, the animals. Thousand animals die for a minute. The global warming is a terrible situation because the situation affect negative the elements, the human peoples, the animals, all. The situation affect all planet. I hope the countries work together impose this situation because it's very important. Very important. No more contamination, no more diets animals. No more the planet need a shame note. I wish can see to my son grow up in a world with water, with trees, with oxygen, with all. So I wish can see run my son for different parts of the world. It's very important. No more garbage in the corner. All. It's very important. Change the situation because the planet. I believe the future is very terrible for your sons, your family. It's very important you change your comportament. No more. Thank you for this moment. Bye.